is a tech deck video. Okay, guys, ready? Is it right there? Is it pointing at the direct thing? Is it? No. No. Just put it right there. And then, like, here. Like, move back, move. Move guys back. There we go. Double rainbow, bring it back.
Okay, this is not no double rainbow. Bring it back video.
My YouTube.
34.
And action. Good. Do you see me? Good. This is my board. This is his Finch's board. Okay. Okay, now do it. Do it.
This is my board.
Just do it already.
Kim, it's me first.
Oh, one person's by once. I've got no kills.
Okay, they get the trick. Woo. Okay.
Join Quest.
I want to join Quest.
Join the Harmony today.
No. No, it's not there. It's there.
Dude, it's so good there.
Yes, it's for after, for jump. Stop, we can't do this now. Zero's on. Stop. I stop.
Guys.
That's not good here. That's where you put it. That's good there for after.
Yeah,
Leave it there for jump.
No.
No. What if I want to jump on it? I want to jump on it with my tech deck. Wow. It's nothing. Okay. Now, let's go. Stop doing this. Stop. You stop. You stop. Whoa.
I think I'm gonna buy green grip tape off eBay. There.
Oh.
Friend, look, now it's a ladder shot.
Stop playing. It's me, please.
Leave it alone.
Okay, cut this.
No.
It's finished. After we do another video and we don't talk